Today, for the 365 drink project, we have the Old Fashioned. For this classic, you will need bourbon, cinnamon simple syrup, Angostura bitters, and an orange peel. First, put in your 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then your 2 ounces of bourbon. Followed by a 1/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup. You can use normal simple if you want. Then add in your large rock of ice. Give it a stir with your bar spoon. Express the oils from an orange peel. Twist and put in your glass. And there you have the Old Fashioned.